and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a project that's turning head in the crypto world. Dogeland, your gateway to innovative crypto lending. Here you can check it out their white paper. You must read their white paper for better understanding that what is Dogeland. You can also see their pre-sale right here. Their pre-sale start in 1 day, 19 hours, 29 minutes and some seconds. Here you can check it out. Their per token price is 0.002024 USD. Here you can pay with ETH USDT and use your card right here. Simply write your amount and see how much tokens you will receive. Simply connect your wallet and buy these tokens. Next we have some information. You can also check it out. Decentralized lending. Experience to decentralization with our P2P lending platform. Borrowers and lenders interact directly without intermediaries, ensuring lower fees and better terms. User-friendly interface. Dogeland is designed with simplicity in mind. Our initiative platform make it easy for users of all experience levels of navigate, invest and borrow. Security and transparency. Powered by blockchain technology, Dogeland guarantees transparency in all transactions. Smart contracts automates minimizing risk and eliminating the need for trust. Community governance. Token holders have a say in the platform future, participating in voting and proposals to shape the direction of Dogeland. Next we have that how to buy these tokens. First, connect your wallet. To purchase Dogeland token, you need to connect your Web3 wallet. You can do this at the top of the page in our pre-sale platform. Participate in pre-sale. Visit our pre-sale platform at the top of the page and follow the instruction to purchase Dogeland tokens using your preferred cryptocurrency. Receive tokens. Once the pre-sale is complete, your Dogeland tokens will be available to claim on claim day. More details on this will be provided once the pre-sale is over. Here you can buy these tokens. Next we have their tokenomic detail. Here you can check it out, their tokenomic circle and their tokenomic details. This is an outstanding project. Pre-sale allocation 20%, development fund 20%, staking and reward 10%, marketing 15%, team and advisor 20%, ecosystem fund 10% and exchanges 5%. This is an fabulous project. Next we have their roadmap. Here you can check it out, their roadmap. Phase 1 Platform and Development. Finalize the smart contract development. Launch testnet for beta testing. Conduct security audit. Phase 2 Platform launch. Release Dogeland platform to the public. Introduce initial lending and borrowing feature. Implement the staking and reward programs. Phase 3 Pre-sale and token launch. Initiate token pre-sale, launch lending Doge tokens on major exchanges, start community building initiatives. Phase 4 Expansion and enhancement. Expand support cryptocurrencies, introduce mobile app, roll out advanced features like collateral management and multi-currency lending. Here you can check it out, all this stuff. This is a fabulous project. Next we have the frequently asked question. Here you can read their frequently asked question like what is Dogeland and how does it work. Dogeland is a community-driven platform that allows users to lend and borrow Dogeland tokens across multiple blockchain networks. By utilizing a unique multi-chain strategy, Dogeland ensures a seamless and connected lending experience. Like this, you can read furthermore frequently asked question right here. This is a fabulous project. Here you can check it out, their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on Twitter. Here you can see their latest news. This is an outstanding platform. You must invest here and earn a lot of profit. So if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Dogeland with its strong fundamental, unique feature and high growth potential. It's positioned to be a major player in the blockchain space. Don't miss out and consider joining their social media link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more updates on exciting crypto projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!